Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush mountains, there lived a young man named Arlo. Arlo was known for his remarkable skills as a craftsman. He could carve intricate designs out of wood, creating beautiful works of art. Yet, despite his talents, Arlo had always struggled with one thing: trust. Growing up, Arlo had witnessed the people around him betray one another. A close friend had once stolen his most prized carving, another had promised to help but vanished when he needed it most. These experiences left Arlo with a deep fear of relying on anyone. He believed that if he depended on others, they would only disappoint him, leaving him alone to pick up the pieces. One day, a great storm came to the village. It was the kind of storm that rages through with fury, uprooting trees and flooding fields. After the storm, the village was left in ruins. Homes were damaged, crops were destroyed, and the people were devastated. But amid the destruction, there was one thing the villagers knew they needed: to rebuild, they would have to work together. The village elders, wise and experienced, called a meeting and asked all the villagers to contribute in whatever way they could. Arlo, too, was summoned. His skills as a craftsman were vital, but the elders knew that to restore the village, every person would need to trust one another. They needed to be united. However, Arlo hesitated. He had seen too many betrayals, too many broken promises, and he couldn't bring himself to open up and trust anyone again. As the days went by, the villagers began their work, but Arlo continued to keep to himself, working alone on small projects, afraid to rely on others. One day, as he was working in his shop, a young girl named Mira approached him. Mira was known for her kindness and her infectious optimism. She had lost her home in the storm, but she was not afraid to ask for help and give help in return. "Arlo," she said softly, "I need your help to rebuild the community hall. You are the best at what you do, and we all need your skills." Arlo looked at her with suspicion. "I don't trust easily, Mira. I don't think I can rely on anyone anymore." Mira smiled gently and sat beside him. "I understand, Arlo. Trust is not something you can give away lightly. But do you know what? Sometimes, it takes just one person to take the first step. It might not be easy, but if you choose to trust, even just a little, you'll find that others will do the same. Trust is a seed that grows when shared." Her words struck a chord with Arlo. After a long pause, he reluctantly agreed. The next day, he joined the others in the effort to rebuild. Though he still held back, he found that by offering a little help, the people around him returned it in kind. They worked together, not just in strength, but in spirit, each person learning to trust the others despite the wounds of the past. As the weeks passed, the village began to take shape once more. The community hall was rebuilt, homes were restored, and the fields were planted again. Arlo discovered that the more he trusted others, the more they trusted him back. He realized that trust wasn't about perfection, it was about being willing to try, even when it felt risky. By the end of the season, the village was flourishing. The trust they had built together became the foundation not only for their homes but for their hearts. Arlo, once a man bound by fear and isolation, became a pillar of the community. He had learned that true strength lies not in avoiding vulnerability, but in embracing it with the belief that when we trust, we give others the chance to be their best. And so, Arlo's journey of trust continued, teaching him that it was never about the mistakes others had made, but about his willingness to move forward and give trust a chance, knowing that with it, the world could be rebuilt, one small step at a time. Moral of the story: trust may be fragile, but it is also powerful. It is the key to healing, growth, and unity. It requires courage to trust again after betrayal, but it is through trust that we find the true strength of human connection.